just to the south of Cheyenne, Wyoming, right along Interstate 25, and I've got a rain-snow mixing with sleet right now as the northerly winds are increasing dramatically. Do expect blizzard conditions to develop here shortly, peaking later on this afternoon with winds gusting over 70 miles an hour just off to the east. I'm heading to the north on I-25 to the Cheyenne, Wyoming area initially, and then I'm headed east from there along Interstate 80 toward the Nebraska Panhandle, where I will likely set up to cover these dangerous blizzard conditions. The blizzard warning also includes the Denver Metro, the Nebraska Panhandle, Cheyenne, southeastern Wyoming, this entire area. So if you're headed westbound on Interstate 80 or Interstate 70 into the blizzard warning area, I would turn around and definitely think twice, because the conditions will be about as dangerous as they can get in terms of winter weather travel later on today in the high plains.